Hey guys, and welcome back. I know I've already done a video for today, but I am doing another one right now. Driving back from my meeting with my business coach that I was telling you guys about in the last video. Basically what we discussed was where I want to be 3 to 5 years from now. And created 3 objectives. There are more, but we really want to make it clear. 3 objectives that I have to obtain and some strategies on how to get to those objectives. And he's going to make it into an outline on a piece of paper or something and they hand it to me. I guess the whole idea is to have clarity of where I need to go. That way I have something to measure it with, and hopefully this will create momentum when I do obtain these goals. It'll create a little bit of momentum and we can restructure goals and strategies as we go along, but to have it on paper is very important. And I knew this. I really haven't wrote down. I have tried to write down some goals, but I get sidetracked. It's not clear to me, and he made certain objectives really clear. So hopefully this is going to work for me. Thanks a lot, Mark. By the way, shout out. So there it is. Now tomorrow evening I am going to be meeting with the HR guy, hopefully. I haven't spoke to him recently, and I don't know what his schedule looks like, but that's what I'd like to happen tomorrow night. Now this weekend we're supposed to get some kind of snowstorm, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know if that's going to alter anybody's plans, but anyways, carry on with my journey. Thank you. Like, share, whatever you need to do to follow my journey. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys. Bye.